Hey there, welcome to another Excel video. I'm going to show you something called comments. Let's go ahead and open a new spreadsheet. Okay, here we go. And let's say I've got a table of information. Right, I'm just going to make some kind of information here. Right, and let's say I wanted to actually create a comment on this. And comments are good for information that doesn't really fit on your spreadsheet. So let's say I have like a database or a table set that I have. And I want to add a little note or a little comment, but I don't want to create a whole new column for it because it's only kind of on a need-to-know basis. So I used to use this when I set up rosters back in the day. And when someone said they were sick, I would just leave a little comment of, why they were sick, or if there's any special notes I got to put in there of, they did reduced hours, they did full day, or whatever it might be. And it couldn't be simpler to put a comment in. So all you got to do is right-click, go insert comment, and then you go ahead and do your thing, okay? And you can resize this to whatever you want. And when I click away from it, it will disappear. But you'll notice that there's this little red thing here, which indicates to me that there's a comment there. So if I click on it, it's going to present it. Now, I'm not going to be able to edit it just by clicking. So what I have to do is right-click, edit, comment, and then I can start editing. To get rid of it, I right-click, I go delete comment. Okay, now let's say I had comments all over the place, right? Put them here, right? To view all the comments, I believe from memory I can go, oh, that only does one at a time. There is a button that shows all of them. So let me just go hide comment. If I go to review, here it is, show all comments. Okay, that's gonna show it like that. Now, one little tip with comments. Because Excel has a number of rows going to the right, you think it's infinite because it kind of just goes on forever, right? But it's not. When you get to the edge, you get up to like XFD, column. And sometimes, really rare occasions, this, because you've deleted columns, goes all the way to the end. And when you try and delete that row or column, it tends to crash. So one thing to look at is if your comments are actually extending way too far. Again, this is a very rare occurrence, so just look into it once if you experience any bugginess with your spreadsheet. Okay, and that's it. So I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time.